So we're on the way to the exhaust shop. You can hear that drone that sounds a bit louder than I can speak. It's not that loud in the car to my ears, but I just did a audio sample before I started recording, and it was pretty loud. So Hayden would like to have this thing straight piped from the rear Y pipe back to the tips, which isn't very far. There you go. I mean, if I gotta hear drone, I think I'd rather hear excursion drone. Anyway, the Y pipe was cut into with a sawzall after the Y splits to go between the Y and the muffler on each side, so that exhaust tone coming out actually goes straight up to the floor of the trunk, and makes it pretty obnoxious inside to where I'm doing 60 and you can hear it. So we're headed to the exhaust shop. They're going to take a look at it. Don't know if they'll be able to squeeze us in today, but we can at least find out how much it'll be to get this thing done. Well, here we are. Idalia muffler and brake. About to send the MKZ in to get some exhaust work. Okay, pipe one, welded in.
I appreciate it, okay? I tell you what, they building all down there, all the stuff they got going on, it's unreal.
Yes. keen ears found this resonator. Holes right underneath the driver's seat. So we're gonna get a piece of pipe thrown in there too. So the guys also found out that your all-wheel drive is really a front-wheel drive. All right, I'm in it. Crank it up. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, that's pretty quiet. I'm gonna suffer for a second and turn this air down. Well, not too bad. We'll get out on the road and we'll see what it looks like. All right, let's see what it's got. Not so much interior noise now. Hear some when you get on it. That's kind of when I prefer it. When you're cruising, you don't really want to hear anything in the cabin. That way you can at least still have conversation. So we learned some things today. We got some exhaust put on. Got these holes that were made in the exhaust closed, which is good. Won't be breathing any fumes. I had a couple of surprises when the rear drive shaft and the carrier bearing were missing. Had no idea. It's something I really get under a car and check for. Whenever it says all-wheel drive, you just expect it to be there. So I guess we have a front-wheel drive MKZ now. So looks like the gas mileage may be a little better than it would be if it was all-wheel drive. I don't think Hayden will be mad about that. If for some reason he needs all four to propel the car, we'll go visit the junkyard and pull some parts. I want to give a thank you to Chris at Vidalia Muffler for taking care of us and getting us in here at the end of the day. Appreciate it. And that way Big Baby can take this car to work tomorrow and enjoy it and get to take it out for the weekend and get to go around Statesboro with Paige and enjoy driving in his Lincoln. So thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you guys next time.